Hey, looking for some unboxing of some cool gadgets?
Are you looking for any unbiased reviews?
Wanna explore with some cool gadgets, tips and tricks?
Are you interested to root your phone and flash your custom ROMs?
Here we are. This is Ashish.
And this is Vikas.
We are here from TechSaala family.
So our main motto to build this channel is to provide you all tech related news,
Unboxing of tech gadgets,
to provide you all custom ROM related news and how to root your phones.
getting you the best unbiased reviews of the gadgets.
So don't forget to subscribe our channel on YouTube.
Link below. And do get us connected on Facebook at our official page where you get all the details of news, offers daily.
So love and peace from TechSaala family.